Today I'm going to show you how you can search the South Hills Middle School Library book collection, how you can also place books on hold, see what books you have currently checked out, if you owe any fines, and even renew books all online using our library management program, Destiny Discover. We haven't used this resource very much in the past, but now that we're moving to more online learning, I thought it would be helpful to show you how to do these things. So first of all, I need to show you how to get to Destiny Discover. There are two ways you can do this. One way is to use the link to the South Hills Middle School Library under your TFSD bookmarks, but today I'm going to show you a different way. We're going to start off by going to the South Hills Middle School website, hover over where it says Academics and click on Library. Next, scroll down to where you can click on the button that says Search Our Collection of Books. Now you can search the collection without logging in, but that's about all you can do. So in order to have the full capabilities, I'm going to go ahead and log in. Sign in with Google. Make sure you're signing in with your MyTFSD account, and it'll show that I'm logged in. It'll show my name there. All right, let's say that I want to see if the library has New Kid, the graphic novel. So I'm going to type that into the search bar. It's going to pull up, so there are actually two books in the library that have the same title, New Kid, but I want the one by Jerry Craft. It looks like the library has that book, but it's currently checked out. If I really want to read that book, I'm going to click on Hold, and it says, we have received your request for the next available copy. So what that's going to do is, when that book is turned into the library, when my interns and I are scanning those books to check them in, it'll pop up an alert that says this book needs to be set aside for such and such student. Then I'll print off a little notice that will be delivered to you in your class that will tell you your hold request is ready and you can come down to the library and get it. We are having to quarantine books for 3 days to make sure all of the germs die. So by the time you get the notice, it'll already have eaten into your allotted amount of time to have that book set aside for you. So you really only have about 3 or 4 days to get down to the library and check it out. So don't dawdle coming and getting that book. If you don't come within that amount of time, then the book will just go back out on the shelf and anyone can check it out. Okay, let me show you some other useful things. If you go over to the menu button, which looks like a hamburger, if you click on checkouts, it'll show you what you currently have checked out. If you click on, you can click on renew. Now remember, you can only renew a book one time. So if I click on renew, it says, sorry, we are unable to renew The Way of Kings. That means I've already renewed this book once. If you haven't renewed it yet, then it'll let you click on it. One thing to keep in mind about this renew button is you can only renew a book one time, so don't renew a book if it's still 2 weeks away from the due date. I would wait until closer to the due date to renew it so you're not wasting that one renewal. Okay, go back over to the menu button, and if you click on holds, it'll show any books that you have on hold. You're allowed to have 2 books on hold at a time. And if you decide that you don't want this hold anymore, you can click on it and click on unhold. If you click on this fines button, it will show you if you have any fines that you owe the library for overdue or lost books. You can also click on history. This is kind of fun because you can look back and see all of the books that you have read in the past. I'm not exactly sure how far back this goes. Apparently a long time. Anyway, it's just kind of interesting to see everything you may have read in the past. All right, that's pretty much all that I needed to show you today. If you have any questions about doing this, using this Destiny Discover program, come down to the library and I'll be happy to walk you through it. There's one thing I neglected to mention. If you are searching for a book and you can see that it's in, like you'll see this little green triangle in the corner for, say you were looking for Mockingjay by Suzanne Collins. If you see that it's in, please don't put it on hold. We simply don't have the library staff to pull books off the shelf for all the students. So we're going to ask that you come down to the library and do that legwork yourself of getting that off the shelf and checking it out. I hope this video was helpful, and I am really looking forward to seeing you soon in the library.